If you want to create and set a custom keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy S25, then in that case you will need to download a new keyboard that allows you to do those customizations. So for example, if you go to Play Store, we can search for a keyboard that is called Gboard. This is a Google keyboard. We're gonna install this one, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how to create a custom theme. So once it is installed, we want to open it, press enable in settings, and here we need to tap on the switcher where we have Gboard and press OK. Let's go back, then press select input method, and we want to switch to Gboard and then press done. We will immediately jump to the keyboard settings, which is good because over here we can also go to theme. And here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different settings, themes that we can use. So for example, we can download a dark gradient keyboard and it looks like this, or a light gradient to create something like this. But of course, you can also create your own keyboard by pressing this plus button in my themes. Now over here, we can open our gallery, and let's say I'm going to choose this image over here. Of course, we can pinch to scale, so we can zoom in and zoom out. We can also drag it around if you want to. Once the photo is set up, we can press next. We can adjust the brightness of the photo as well. So let's say I'm going to make it like this, and then press done. In addition to that, we can enable key borders. We can tap on this pen icon in order to re-edit the photo, and then we can press apply. And now if you open a keyboard, it looks like this. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.